Hello and welcome to the first episode of Totally Tech Tom. In this episode I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Logitech Slim Folio keyboard and case. It's for the 5th and 6th generation iPad, so please be mindful of that before you actually buy this product yourself. This is the first in a series of episodes where I will be turning my iPad into a device I can do sysadmin and development from anywhere on the go. The iPad I've got is a cellular, which makes it easy for me to VPN into a network and start doing my work, which is great if you're in a coffee shop or you're out and about, etc. So let's crack on with it and start unboxing. Here we have the box for the Slim Folio Logitech keyboard and case. So as you can see, it's the optimum viewing angle stuff. So let's take a look in. What I really like about this box is it's no sellotape, it's just magnetic, and boom, you're in. That's pretty much it. So inside we have the actual case itself. So let's take that out. As you can see, it's very nice. It's like a fabric type case and plastic. It does feel quite sturdy. And the keyboard itself, voila, feels like nice keys. I'll have a look at that shortly. Okay, so it also describes what keys are available, so let's just review. So we've got the home button, which I think is a great feature on this keyboard. You've got the Siri key, the search bar, so you can search for things. Keyboard language, not entirely sure if you'll use that, but it's there anyway. On-screen keyboard, so just in case you need to use the on-screen keyboard for anything, you can always bring that up. You've got some media controls here, backwards, play, pause, forwards, volume control, which looks like you've got a mute button, a lock screen key, the Bluetooth key, and a battery check. Just above that's a battery LED, so you can, that's how it works basically. Some other great features I like about this keyboard is its trueness to a Mac keyboard. So if you're familiar with the MacBook, you'll feel right at home with this, because you've got the command button and the option button, just like on a Mac. Alright, so we're going to be connecting the keyboard now. I'm hoping this is going to be a very simple process. So let's open it up. I do like this little slit here as well, because that is a bit more like a laptop. It's almost like you've got a laptop. Let's open that up. So here we have the bit for the iPad. So volume, and there's a little opening for your volume control here. So let's just pop that in. Just like that. Nice and easy. It snaps into place. So as you can see here, you've got space for your headphones, the normal lock key, the original volume controls, and at the back, or the bottom, you've got the speakers and your charging jack. Some other features I'd want to mention is you have the ability to just have it as a device. You can just simply leave it like that. I think that's nice to have. Fold the keyboard away, or you can have it snap into place. It's magnetic and it holds it in place, and then you have a nice laptop style iPad. So we're going to connect this device now. It's very easy to do. Just make sure your Bluetooth is on, and we'll activate it, and you'll see the Slim Folio appear. So we'll just add that Bluetooth pairing request. So we need to type in the number 187 6964. Enter. As you can see, it's now connected, and we can use the home button from there. So let's have a look at what it types like, shall we? I'm going to create a new note, and here we have it. So, hello, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe. Some other things you might be interested in as a Mac user is you can use the keyboard shortcuts that you're used to. So to do home, Command Shift, or to move through things, press the Alt/Option key. So pretty much that's it. You want to go make yourself a brew, hit the lock key. Done. So, just before we go, I'd like to just give a review of the actual product itself. Personally, I really like this keyboard. The keyboard is nice to type on, and the keys aren't really small that you miss keys when you're typing. The keys themselves are shallow, which is great if you're a touch typist. The home button is great for navigating apps and stuff like that. You can just double tap like you would normally do and scroll around. The shortcut keys are great as well. I do like that. I do like having the lock key on the keyboard itself. I like the magnetic lock. That's really good. It just locks into place when you're ready to start using it. So, and it automatically switches the keyboard on. Also, which is something I really looked around for to make sure, when the case is fully closed, the keys don't touch the screen. They're about 1 millimeter away, which I think is a really good feature, so you don't scratch your screen. There was a couple of things that I didn't like about it though. The first one, probably the main thing for anyone, is the lack of a LED for the caps lock. There isn't any indication on the screen either to tell you that you're in caps lock mode, so that's something to be mindful of. I did notice as well, on a similar line, that when you're typing, iOS tends to put an automatic capital at the beginning of the sentence, which is normally fine, but if you don't want to do that, you have to press Shift first and then start typing. It took me a couple of seconds to figure that out. The last thing is the lack of escape key, because the home button has actually replaced that escape key on the keyboard. I use a lot of terminal applications like Vim, so escape is a very useful button to have. Luckily my app actually has an escape key brought up on the bottom of the screen, so you can just tap that. For how much it costs, it's £69 from Curry's PC World. I thought it was a really great product. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. I'll be making some more videos where I'll be going into the actual applications that we can use to make better productivity from our iPads. So thank you for watching, and see you again soon.